Good morning and thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Temperatures, they are back on the rise over the next few days. Our wildfire risk is also going up as winds increase across northern Arizona, and we are in for a sizzling hot weekend. Today, Phoenix back up to 107 degrees after topping out at 105 yesterday. That temperature climbing a little bit more today. We'll feel some light breezes this afternoon between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. Our heat risk in the moderate range today, meaning mostly folks who are sensitive are at risk, but if you're not being careful, you're at risk under these hot conditions too. So make sure that you're hydrating, avoiding dehydration and heat exhaustion or heat stroke. We still are looking at that potential for some dangerous heat today. Some good news when it comes to our air quality. No high pollution advisory today, but rather an ozone health watch. That means ozone concentrations will just approach unhealthy levels today. Still, if you're especially sensitive, then you may want to keep that in mind. Maybe limit your time outdoors. It's possible that we'll be under a health watch again tomorrow and on Saturday. Now, we had a disturbance clipping by to our north. That actually dropped our temperatures yesterday, but as that disturbance weakens, pushes further north, high pressure re-strengthens over the area. We're talking more heat today. Again, temperatures trending back up. There's a chance that we could still get a few thunderstorms in southeast Arizona like yesterday, but those will be confined to that southeast pocket right near that New Mexico and Mexico border. The rest of the state, including the valley, looking sunny today. Tomorrow, we could see a few spotty storms further east near the New Mexico border. But again, still looking at dry conditions here in the valley with temperatures just trending on up. 107 today, 108 Friday. By Saturday, 110 degrees. Again, wind speeds getting a little stronger, especially across northern Arizona. Gusts to 35 miles an hour today. So know that the fire danger is still overall high with the dry conditions and that hot weather. And you'll notice that fire risk increasing, especially across that northern half of our state. We're continuing to keep a close eye on Tropical Storm Aletta, expected to become a hurricane later today or early tomorrow before it weakens once it reaches cooler water by the weekend. We could see a boost in moisture across our state by the middle of next week as a result of that storm system. For now, it's not looking too sure that we're going to see rain chances here in the valley. So I'm holding off on putting those rain chances in, but we could potentially get some activity over the mountains by Tuesday of next week. We'll keep watching that closely, so stay tuned. 110 for a high by Saturday, then temperatures dip down back near 106 to kick off next week.